Did you know you can peel a mango in just a few seconds without making your hands sticky? Today, I'll show you 6 easy ways to peel and eat mangoes at home. Some methods are super fast, some are perfect for serving guests, and all of them are simple to follow. Let's start with the first method. Method 1 is the easiest way if you just want to eat the mango quickly. Use a knife to cut diagonally near the top of the mango. Once you make that cut, you can scoop out the flesh directly with a spoon. No need to peel the whole mango. No messy juice running down your hands either. After eating the flesh, simply scrape around the seed with the spoon until only the peel remains. Now for method 2. This one is even faster. Instead of peeling the mango, carefully cut a line around the middle until the knife touches the seed inside. Slowly rotate the mango while cutting until the line connects. Then gently twist both sides back and forth a few times. Pull it apart carefully, and the flesh separates beautifully from the seed. Now you can scoop the mango easily with a spoon. Almost no flesh stays on the seed, so nothing goes to waste. If you want beautiful mango cubes instead, method 3 is perfect. First, cut off the top part of the mango. Slice the mango in half beside the seed. Then score the flesh into lines or cubes with your knife. After that, slide the knife between the peel and the flesh to separate them. Now you have clean mango cubes ready to serve. Method 4 uses a fork instead of a knife. Take the sharp end of the fork and poke into the mango peel near the tip. Drag it downward toward the stem. Repeat this on several sides. Then slowly peel the skin away with your hands, similar to peeling an orange. This method works especially well for small or very ripe mangoes because the juice won't drip everywhere. Method 5 is great for simple eating. Just cut the mango in half and scoop the flesh directly, like eating ice cream or watermelon. Easy and delicious. Finally, method 6 is perfect when you want the mango to look beautiful for guests. Cut the mango in half and score the flesh into a grid pattern. Then gently push the skin upward. The mango cubes pop out beautifully and look very attractive on a plate. Those are 6 simple mango peeling methods you can try at home. Which method did you like the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching Easy Genius DIY. Don't forget to click subscribe to get new videos and more useful ideas. See you in the next video.